In this video, I'll show you how to descale the Keurig K-Mini using vinegar, so let's get started. To begin descaling the Keurig K-Mini, you will need to measure and pour 1/3 cup of vinegar into the water reservoir and then add fresh water, filling it up to the 10-ounce mark. With the machine plugged in, open and close the lid, make sure there is no pod inserted, and then press the K brewing button. First, it will drain the water into the machine, which will take about 20 seconds. And then while it's in the machine, it will take about 1 minute or so to heat the water before it starts to dispense it. When that's all done, you can throw the water out. Next, we'll repeat some of the steps again. So measure and pour 1/3 cup of vinegar to the water reservoir. Add fresh water up to the 10-ounce mark again. Open and close the lid and press the K button. It'll drain the water into the machine, but this time we're going to do something different. As soon as the solution starts to dispense, you're going to press the power button to turn the machine off and let it do its cleansing process. We need to let it sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to press and hold the K button until all the vinegar and water mixture has dispensed. When that's done, throw the water away. Now you need to perform a fresh water rinse, and you'll need to repeat this process 3 times. Be sure to wash out your jug first to get rid of any vinegar residue. Fill the water reservoir to the maximum line. Open and close the lid and press the K button to begin. Between each cycle, throw the water out. After your 3 freshwater cycles are complete, it's also a good idea to check the needle area for any coffee grounds that may be stuck in there. Alright guys, I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment if it helped you, and I hope to catch you in my next video.